So Piyush, this is the explanation or reading or my English brushing up for the future do epic shit. We were all born with the innate ability to ask questions endlessly. We were all born kid. No matter what's the color, what's the sex, what's the background, we were all were kids to begin with. But then school and parents kill it. Seriously, I have seen it myself. By I have seen it myself. I have seen it myself that how a parent or how a guardian, whatsoever for that matter, who a child truly believes in, kills his or her ability to caution. And they were like, हमसे ना सवाल जवाब मत करो, ठीक है? There was nothing wrong with us as kids. True, kids are the true potential of this world. So be a kid. Be a kid. Dance publicly, privately, jump on the bed, do whatever you want to do. No regrets for tomorrow. No regrets for tomorrow. Except our environment that told us that asking question is a wrong thing. I guess every kid is born genius, but the kid is the image of their parents. Kid is the image of their parents. How parents are, so the kids. How parent is, so the kid will become that. Don't ask silly question. Shut your mouth. That's dumb. That's dumb. पागल हो तुम. लेकिन but you have to. Only you can, or you have to tell yourself that it's okay to ask questions. It's okay to be genuinely curious to know more. It's okay to genuinely curious to know more. It's more than okay to ask even if others would think it is dumb. I would say, if you were being dumb, you can always know more than the so-called person who is called being intelligent, being wise, every of that. Being dumb. Become a dumb kid. You will always learn more. You may have numbed yourself because it was not cool to be serious. So, is it cool to do exercise daily or not? The chubby person or the fatty person or the obese person will say, yeah, it's important to do exercise, but why they can't? Why they do not doing exercise? Because it's not cool. No matter how cool it is, no matter how uncool it is, if it is right thing to do for your future self, that is for yourself who is 20 years later or 10 years later, if it is better thing to do for that self, do it anyway. Do it anyway, no matter what the other person saying or what the public saying. Just do it anyway if it's better thing for your future self. Like investing in your knowledge is the best thing for your future self, because if for a moment you just keep brushing up or keep acquiring knowledge, if that knowledge is stored in your mind, at least it has some potential to become organized and become something unique, something truly powerful, something that can even fill other people's tummy. So knowledge got unlimited potential. Knowledge got unlimited potential. It's help to know that nurturing your curiosity is the coolest thing in the world, where people are scared of being called dumb. I guess so, but nurturing your curiosity is the coolest thing in the world. It's also your perspective. Reality is, or I think what is reality, it can be corrected maybe. It can be corrected maybe. What is the right thing to do for your future self or for your future generation? I guess that is the important thing to do.